My name is Tim Doctera. This is my wife Tristan. We are from Goodhue, Minnesota, and if you're interested in checking out more of my building process here from Great Western, check out my channel on YouTube. It's called Doc's Autos. Where we live is kind of out in the middle of nowhere. We're surrounded by corn over here and beans over here. We've got horses. Neighbors are nowhere to be seen, and we just kind of live in the middle of everything great. For the cost of the steel building, with all of our add-ons, with the wraparound porch on front, the lean-to in the back, that would have pretty much been the basic price for a wood stick building. Being able to erect this ourselves, huge cost savings, so we could go ahead and add in these other add-ons for us, which I think was a big also driving factor.
And it took the building from being a plain Jane building to something a little dressier and a little nicer, because it's the first thing you see when you come up our driveway.
Yep, we've got the lean-to in the back that runs the full length of the building. There's some stable doors in the back for the horses. I think just the options that we had was a big key.
And Great Western worked with us really well to add on that lean-to kind of at the last second, right before we finalized our plans.
I think we looked for about 3 years at buildings between online and horse expos and whatnot, and just came to the decision that a steel building for our needs was great. We weren't encumbered by roof trusses, so we could have really high ceiling, pretty much open design, so we really could build anything that we wanted to build. During the process, we had friends come to help put up the building, or various contractors here, whether it was the electrical guys or whoever came by, even neighbors. They were very impressed with the building overall from Great Western. Most folks out here just have stick buildings, so we were one of the rare ones that have put up a steel building, and everybody was just impressed with the quality of the work, the way everything fit together. There was not a single instance when we put up the building we had to massage any of the holes for the bolts to fit into, or shim anything. Everything dropped right into place. There were no issues during any of the construction process.
Nobody expected that.
No, everyone's like, you didn't have to open up any holes in your columns. You didn't have to move any bolts. No, it just fit together. So between the plans from Great Western, our contractors for the concrete, everything fit together perfect. So I don't think we could have asked for a better end result.
Your big giant erector set.
And the erector set for adults, yeah.
That's right.